2022 MSI Creator Z17 A12UGST-049, i7-127000H, 32GB RAM, 1TB in the SSD, RTX 3070 8GB, 17 inches QHD plus 165Hz touch, Windows 11 Pro, content creation laptop. Display, 17 inches QHD plus, 2560 by 1600 165Hz DCI-P3 100% touch panel support MSI stylus pen, MPP 2.0. Graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 8GB GDDR6 graphics card with up to 1135 MHz boost clock, 90 watts maximum TGP with dynamic boost. Processor, 12th General Intel Alder Lake Core i7-12700H 14 cores, 1.7 GHz to 4.7 GHz, 24 MB Intel Smart Cache.